You know, Ben, I cannot imagine, being at work, finishing my job, and then coming out to a parking lot and seeing a mess like this. Just look around here. Mess and destruction is everywhere. Lots of broken glass. Cars here, not just that belong to the McKee's Food Corporation, but workers here destroyed. In fact, you're looking at a Jeep here where powerful winds literally blew the back of this window out. Over here, you could see even more destruction. Winds over here damaging the windshield to this car. And then over here, walk with me, you'll notice that this truck just badly damaged in the rear here of this truck. This is only a taste of what has happened here yesterday after a tornado touched down here. Take a look at the damage here behind me. This is a structure, or what's left of it now, more or less just mangled metal. Employee lockers over here to the right. Now, we know a tornado touched down here. What we don't know is how strong that tornado was. And so the National Weather Service will be out here this morning in just a few hours here to survey the damage and try and pinpoint how strong that tornado really was. When we get that information, we'll be sure to pass it along. But again, we're here in Gentry seeing firsthand just all the damage caused by this wild weather. For now, we're live here in Gentry. I'm John Paul, 4029 News.
And you certainly can see some serious damage happened there in Gentry. Glad to hear nobody was hurt in that storm. Right now, stay with us here on 4029 and 4029TV.com for any continuing coverage.